Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create new Genmojis in your iPhone. The process is very simple. You have to just follow me and watch this video till very end. This is my iPhone 16 running on iOS 18.2. Make sure you have iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max or later series to use Genmojis. So if you are on iOS 18.1 or any other version other than iOS 18.2 or betas, this process is not going to work. So first of all, update your iPhone on iOS 18.2. Now here you guys can see here I have created some my new emojis, and this is my Genmoji kind of, right? So in order to create Genmojis or new emojis, you have to click on this emoji icon here first of all in the keyboard, and then you will see a smiley icon there at the right. Hit on this one, and then you will see this thing, new Genmoji. It's in the beta, so kind of I would say phone runs pretty much hot or warm, I would say, to do this. So I'll select my photo. I would say let me choose mine. These are my friends. So I'll click on done. As you guys can see here, my iPhone is creating my Genmojis. I can copy them, I can share them, I can save as stickers, and I can swipe left for more Genmojis. Because I don't like them, I can make changes. I can change haircut. So if I type here boy hair, let's see what we get, because most of the time iPhone says uh, try with any other description. So here you guys can see here. So it gave me pretty much the same Genmoji. So I'll click on add because I'm just showing you, and hit on done. And you can create anything. Like if I search for candy or car or truck, I would say it can generate any of the emoji. So you can create your custom emoji. So nice, it gave me good one. So I'll hit on add, and I can send truck to my friend. So there we go. So that's the whole simple way to create Genmoji. And also you can use the image playground to create these photos. You have to click on this plus icon, and you can give the picture of yourself. You can make some suggestions, you can imagine by yourself. Here you guys can see here I'm doing pretty much good things: starry night, love, adventure. So I can add everything in it, and Apple Image Playground will create me an image. So this is done. I can do more by swiping down. I can create more images. That's it. I can save photos. So here you go. So I can share these photos to anyone else. I can create number of photos whatever I want. So make sure your iPhone is running very warm when you're using image playground features. So that's all simple fix. Hope you guys find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much guys. Peace.